Welcome to another edition of Tesla Tips and Trips. We are at the Lone Pine Supercharger. No particular reason, we're heading home from a trip. But on this episode, we are going to feature this. You can't get it anywhere in the US. You can't buy it. I got my hands on one. We're going to do the unboxing and the purchasing process if you do want to buy one from a somewhat, I don't know, sketchy website. Keep it here. All right, I am so excited to finally get this thing unboxed. As you know, can't find this thing in the US as of this recording. I'm not sure why Tesla is deciding not to release this. I know there's a lot of profit involved with the supercharging network, but you know, at this point, this is all about options. And when I'm on a road trip, I want to have every option available to me. I don't want to be looking at empty chargers that I could be using and a line at a supercharger. So we're going to unbox this thing. We're going to do a whole series on this thing. This is the Tesla CCS Combo 1 adapter. Let's get this thing open. All right, now it did come in another box. It doesn't ship like this, so it doesn't show exactly what it is, which is good. But I usually don't unbox things until I show you guys. But I wanted to make sure that what I was receiving looked legit before I did the unboxing. And this definitely looks legit. I mean, it has CCS Combo 1 adapter, Tesla logo, made on Earth by humans, made in Taiwan, that's fine. It's got all kinds of barcodes and Tesla logos. I think this is the real deal. I really do. And it seems like those other folks that are getting it from South Korea ahead of me are saying the same thing, and it's doing some great stuff. It says Tesla Motors Beijing Company Limited. I mean, all this stuff. Don't know how they're getting it, but let's get to the unboxing. We're gonna do a whole series on this thing. So you're gonna get all the details at some point. But this is the unboxing and the purchase experience from the South Korean website, which I will link down in the description. So I think they added this outer plastic. Well, maybe not, actually, because this logo here, this sticker here looks very Tesla official. It says genuine parts on it, valid to, I can't read that, obviously. Adapter, there's descriptions, there's part number. I'll look up what this part number is. But yeah, this actually looks like the plastic did come from Tesla now that I look at it. So there we go, there's the plastic off of it. Here is the box itself. Very curious to see what this stick is. I've been wondering that for a while and nobody can give me an answer. Has official Tesla tape on it here. Has the Combo 1 adapter. More Tesla stuff. Side looks like this. I mean, this looks like any other box coming from Tesla that I've purchased. So in terms of authenticity, I think we're good. Now, how do you open it? I mean, this truly shows you that I don't pre-open this stuff because I don't even know how it's sealed. I really don't want to ruin the box because if this is as delicate as I think it is, delicate that is, I'm going to need to probably use this box on road trips. So is it glued here? Do they want you to destroy the box to get inside? I'm not sure. Usually there's like a flap that you use to open it. And it sure seems like this is it right here. So, and this is glued. Like really glued. What? Oh, there we go. Oh, there's a thing. Duh. This is opening box 101 right here. That's why there's a Tesla tape here. There we go. Ah, so satisfying. All right, so now the seal has been broken. There's another Tesla logo underneath. It definitely went all out on the Tesla logos. Okay, so I have that open, but it's still not open. That doesn't come out. Maybe there's no adapter inside and this is a Tesla puzzle. So if you take that off, wow, I cut myself. My first injury on the channel. Wow. And I didn't even use a knife. All right, so that shows you be careful when open. Ah, there we go. Oh, I can see it. I see it. There it is. I'm going to push through this injury because here we go. There it is. Oh. Let's take it out. Look at that. It's heavy. My first impression is it's heavier than I thought. I've seen this online, and it is definitely heavier than I thought. However, that said, we'll do a comparison video on the other CCS adapter that I have, the one from C-Tech. It is lighter than that. So what is this thing? Well, this pushes in. I wonder if it's metal. So this pushes in. I could see it on the other side, and it must be some sort of communication to cut power, is my guess. So you push this in, and on this side here, there's a, you can see the other side of it. So when you put the CCS plug in and then push this into the car, it must have some sort of basic communication that, hey, if you pull something, it's going to cut power. So this is it. This looks pretty official. It says Tesla Incorporated right there on the logo, and this is a very stuck-on kind of logo. This seems like the real deal. So we're going to do all kinds of reviews on this. This is the unboxing, of course, and then we are going to do the purchase part of the other video, the other side of this video. So it's going to be a two-part video right here, the unboxing and the purchase experience, I guess you'd call it. And I got to go fix my finger here. I'm not sure what I cut it on. So tip number one for this thing, right out of the box, is be careful. So there it is. There's a little piece of cloth in here. And basically it just fits in there. So I think I'm going to keep this and store it that way and bring it on road trips this way. I know this is probably smaller to bring, but I'm a little worried about this, to be honest. We'll see how durable that is, this little spring-loaded stick. But for the most part, I think I'm just going to keep it in the box. Boom. Easy storage. That is your unboxing of the CCS Combo 1 adapter from Tesla, right from South Korea. And all right, let's get into the purchase situation and help you decide if you want to go through the South Korean route of buying this. But that is the unboxing of the Tesla CCS Combo adapter. Okay, you've seen the unboxing, you've heard the hype, you're ready to buy this thing, but you're a little uneasy, unsure about the website that it's coming from. Trust me, I felt the same. So this is Harumio or Harum.io. Either way, you can see it here on my screen recording. Basically, it's a South Korean website that ships stuff from there to the U.S. It says at the top of the screen there, free shipping to the United States. At first I thought, yeah, it's a little sketchy, but I heard more and more people, seeing more and more people on Facebook and Reddit and those types of Tesla groups, not only buying it from this site, but receiving the product and the product being authentic and working with their Teslas at Electrify America and other CCS places. So I figured, you know what? For the channel, for you guys, I'm going to give it a shot, and I'm going to lay down my $300 and to get this adapter from South Korea and see what happens from there. So by no means am I endorsing this website, or am I endorsing the fact that it's completely legit. I'm just saying this is my experience with this website and actually receiving the product. Everything went according to plan. Nothing was deceptive. Nothing was weird about it. You know, let's get into it. So let's search, basically search for Tesla CCS. Now, at the time that I ordered, and it comes right up, at the time I ordered, there was this even sketchier kind of link where you had to say, hey, I want one of these, and then sends them an email, and then they would send you an email back saying, okay, here's the order page. Now they've streamlined it. It takes you right to the order page, and here you go. It's $309, and that's it, by the way. We've been hearing word that the US version, whenever it comes out from Tesla, is going to be about $250. $309, when you consider shipping and tax and all that stuff, is probably in the ballpark. It's not even that far off. Now, at the time that I ordered, this was only like 3 weeks ago or whatever, they didn't have this cool case that they're offering now. I actually don't see it here, but So you have some choices here. You have the CCS Combo 1 adapter. That's what I ordered. You have a Chademo adapter, which they still have, I guess, over there. So you can get one of those if you need it. Or you can get both, which $763, that's a bit much. What do they want for the Chademo? $483. So that's even cheaper than it was here in the US. Interesting. So I got the CCS Combo 1 adapter. I didn't have a choice of getting the adapter case, which is cool because I don't see it on here, but the case itself not only holds this adapter, the CCS adapter, but also the J1772 all-in-one nifty little case. I wish I could have gotten it. They were selling it for $45. That's too much for a case. So I didn't get that. So anyway, I ordered with PayPal. I ordered this adapter without the case, no add-ons, I guess, so $309. I did find a coupon through one of these guys. It was like $5, I think I got. Here, let me show you the receipt. Okay, so this is the receipt. This is what I paid. And so then 7 days go by, nothing, not a word, crickets. I'm like, oh, what did I just do? I wasted $300. It was like the 8th or 9th day. They said, sent me an email saying, congratulations, or whatever they say with these sites. Your product has shipped, and it will be here on this date, whatever the date was. It actually came 2 days before the date that they gave me. So that's pretty cool. Coming all the way from South Korea, it's the same exact adapter that's going to be offered here in the US. Same exact everything. I showed you in the unboxing how everything looks authentic with the authentic badges and Tesla logos and all that kind of stuff. And I've already tested it. We were on a road trip. I plugged it in. It took 2 attempts because I didn't know exactly how to plug it in, but you'll see all that in a future video. And yes, it works. So I can, again, I can't endorse this website. I don't know much about them, but it worked for me. And the process works for a lot of other people, apparently, on Facebook and online and stuff. So that's why I figured I'd give it a try for you. And if you're interested in this, it opens up so many options. It really does. I know the Supercharger, people are going to say the Supercharger network is so robust. It's growing every day. It's awesome. Why would you possibly need this? Well, because I like to have other options. And I haven't tested this yet, but I'm seeing speeds of upwards of 200 kilowatts. So my test, you'll see in the next video, is the test, or the first use. I got about 35 to 40 kilowatts, but I came to learn later that the charger itself I was using was maxed out at 50, and I was about 60% state of charge, and that seems about right. So I can't wait to test this thing. I can't wait to show you guys all the little nuances. So if you decide to get this, or when it finally comes out in the US, you're going to know everything about it. So here's your task. Down in the comments, let me know what you want to know about this thing. I've got it. I'm ready to make videos about it. I've got a bunch of videos in my head. Can't get them out. So many videos in my head that I want to do about this this particular adapter. But if there's a particular question that you're interested in, let me know. I'll include it in one of the videos. So there you go. That's the buying process. Harumio, not so sketch. It doesn't seem like it. It was right above board the whole time. And I got it as promised. It works as promised. It looks authentic, works authentically. There you go. There is the unboxing and the purchasing process for buying one of these. It is the, of course, the Tesla CCS Type 1 adapter, and it's the official one coming from South Korea. And my initial impressions, it's really a solid build. It feels very Tesla-like. This is not as flimsy or as plastic as I thought. In fact, it's spring-loaded. And we're going to have all kinds of other videos featuring this Tesla CCS adapter for our Tesla Model Y. And thank you so much for watching.